Hey everybody, if you didn't see my last video, it was the introduction to the 2023 Halloween group build, which is starting September 1st to October 31st. The rules are based on anything Halloween, any model kit that would be Halloweenish. It can go anywhere from 3D printed figures, Warhammer figures, model cars that look Halloween, theme builds, figure builds, you name it. Anything that's Halloween, you pretty much know. So, hopefully you guys get to see the video. If you haven't, please look back another video and you'll see the rules and all that, but it's pretty much the same as last year. We do have, I think about 5 people so far that's shown interest in it. So hopefully I can get some awareness out and have some more people join. In that video I kind of said that these were the ones that I was thinking about doing, so I figured I'd show them off. I do plan on building at least one of these. Last year I did build 2, but the house is actually quite a bit of parts, but it's a good kit. But they both are pretty cool. This one I do want to put some lights in it and liven it up some. So I might end up doing this one. So let's take a look at that one. But the kit is exactly what you see. It is the living room set, where they have Herman in the chair, Eddie at the fireplace. I think he has his toy little stuffed monster. Get Grandpa hanging from the rafters. He does have the rafters as well. I think he even has that bat. There's these pictures and Lily sitting there knitting in her coffin chair. There's a TV behind him with some rabbit ears. And there's a picture of Herman or Frankenstein, whichever you want, right there. I would like to create a fire look. Use some of them fake candles, take them apart and put the LEDs in here. And maybe put a light behind the screen of the TV. Let's look at the parts. So, for some reason I think I was actually playing around with this one before and never got to it. But nothing is glued together. But there's nothing on a tree. But here is the back. Really cool fireplace. Everything in this kit has great detail. So the wood should be easy to do. I've seen some people drill these candles out and put a little LED in there so they look like they're on fire. I might do that. I might do the fireplace in here. This is the floor. This is Eddie's pillow where he's sitting at, and that's the hearth or whatever you call it of the fireplace. Cool rug. So you can get a size comparison. It's pretty nice size. It looks like it is 6 inches by 8 inches. Here's Grandpa. His 2 halves. He'll be hanging like that. I believe this is the rafters. So he'll be hanging off a piece. So he'll be hanging like something like that. And this is a piece of the fireplace, I do believe. Yep, this goes at the bottom. So I have to paint that looking like wrought iron. Somebody's legs. Part of Lily's seat. The actual seat, the seat. So it goes like that. think this is the back of the TV, because here is the TV. I think this is the, no, that ain't the back of the TV. It's the back of something, but there is the TV. I can cut that out. Put some clear plastic in there. This is the picture. And now I gotta see if I can put a light behind that and see if it lights up. I think you can. So stick that on a piece of clear. Maybe put even another piece of clear over top of it just to protect it. And put a light on the back side there. There is top of Herman's seat, because he's like an electric chair, one half of it. Another bat. There's Lily. Here's some butts and legs. I think this is part of his chair, because I think this is the back where there's electric panel on it. There's Lily's hands knitting. Another piece to his chair, I do believe, because of that coil. Other half to his top, some wires. There's Lily's back half. Here is the fireplace. So I could do this a couple ways. I can just have it backlit where the light's flickering, or I can go all out and try to redo that. I haven't decided yet. There's the other half of the chair. It's like, so it goes like that. I think these are Eddie's legs, a rat, buckle, more of his chair. There's Eddie's back, Herman's hands. There's a cushion of one of the seats. There's Herman. But as you can see, there's a lot of good detail in here. I think these are webs. There's one half of the rabbit ears. So as you can see, everything's in there. Nothing started. So this will be the first one I do. That way you get a size comparison of the kit. This one is HO scale, so if you did have a train set, you could have this in your set. But there you get to see the steeples, and this is a full foundation. The roof is very detailed, and there's the sidewalls. And here, this is really cool. This goes in all the windows. That way all the windows have detail. And then you can light it up. You could actually section it off and have lights in certain areas. And then the instructions. And that's what it'll look like when it's done. So there's a lot of steps to that. I should say a lot of parts. But I think I would want to section it off and light the inside of it. Have a little bit of a base so you can have a yard to it. Okay, so hopefully more people join in. And join in any time. Just because it started don't mean that you can't join in. Even if you don't go till or don't get done by October 31st, still join. It's all about fun, and hopefully I get to see some builds. And until next time, I'll talk to you then. Oh, and one final thing I forgot to say is I do have a playlist that's going to have everybody's video that I see. If I miss your video, please let me know, because I want to see everybody's video. And if it ain't on that playlist, let me know. I'll get on that playlist and actually get to see it. Sometimes it's hard to catch everybody's video. So, until next time, I hope you have a great one. See you then. Bye.